If you press Start New Recording button, RPA Recorder will create a new file with the name we enter and automatically start recording process. You may pause, resume, or stop it from the indicator panel. Once your script is done, you may use buttons Replace Entire Recording with a new one or Insert Recording without overviewing the previous script. For the latter, Recorder will append new recorded actions to the current script after selected step. Another approach for automation of more complex use cases is to build script manually. While doing it, we're dragging actions from the library to the actions flow and then setting them up. Though each action has its own set of parameters, there is a common parameter weight in Advanced section. The script will pause for this time before executing the action. For example, you might need to pause the script to complete loading process or file saving initiated by previous action. By default, it is 0 milliseconds. Inside the recording, you can also drag actions or a group of actions to place them in desired playing order. If you press Ctrl or Shift while drag operation, a selected group of actions will be cloned with defined parameters. After pressing Play button, you will see a panel with progress indication and a number of executed steps. At any time, you can pause or resume or stop execution. By default, Recorder will play entire script from the beginning till the end. But sometimes for debugging, we need to play just a part of the script. In this case, we can use the option Play from current step, and the recording will be played from the selected step. We also can activate or deactivate each step or group of steps. Recorder will skip playing inactive actions. If you need to adjust your recording or one of examples keeping original one unchanged, you may copy the whole folder with the recording and open it from new folder. Also, Recorder tracks your recent changes, so if you accidentally deleted something, you may press Ctrl Z to revert the changes or Ctrl Y to redo reverted changes. When the recording is tested and runs smoothly, you can publish it to Control Tower. The exported recording is automatically packed into a bot step of a business process and can be found in Control Tower among the other business processes. There you'll be able to run it as a business process on demand or set up a schedule. Recorder preferences contain global parameters for RPA Recorder to define its general behavior. You may review this section in detail in the knowledge base. We will show few of the most frequently used parameters. You can set up desired delay between actions, choose auto-closing of windows after script completion. You can set desired matching threshold for image detection. It is possible to adjust timeout sections. You may need to increase website loading timeout if you deal with a website that requires more than 10 seconds for loading.